Buscalan in Kalinga is a mountain village of the famous Mambabatok Apo Wangod. Two ways to get into the village. First is to walk via the hanging bridge and staircases up to the mountain. Second, and a more intense and exciting experience, is to use the zip line tram operated by diesel engine to pull the rope that will bring you either up to the village and down to the road. So welcome to Buscalan.